Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're like me and you love a mascara that can take your lashes to the next level without the risk of smudging or flaking, then this might just be what you've been waiting for. Today, we're talking about a duo that promises to transform your lashes: Wet n Wild Mega Volume Waterproof Mascara and Mega Length Waterproof Mascara. Let's see if these mascaras live up to the hype. First off, let's dive into the details of what these mascaras actually claim to do. The Mega Volume Waterproof Mascara is designed to add thickness and volume to your lashes from root to tip, giving you that dramatic, fuller lash look. It features a full spiral fiber brush, which is meant to coat each lash evenly while adding intensity. On the other hand, the Mega Length Waterproof Mascara focuses on lengthening the lashes, providing definition and precision. It's also designed to be sweat-proof, humidity-resistant, and of course, smudge-resistant. Both mascaras are enriched with vitamin E, which not only softens and moisturizes lashes, but also protects them. That's a nice touch for anyone who wants to maintain lash health while wearing a bold look. So how did these products perform in real life? When I tested the Mega Volume Waterproof Mascara, I was impressed by the immediate volume boost it gave my lashes. The spiral brush did a good job of lifting and coating each lash without clumping, which is a huge win for me. It gave me the fuller, more dramatic lashes I was looking for. Perfect for a night out or those long days when you need your makeup to last. The Mega Length Waterproof Mascara, on the other hand, worked wonders for defining and lengthening my lashes. The formula is lightweight, which means it didn't weigh my lashes down, and the precision brush really helped to get those tiny lashes in the corners of my eyes. I love that it's ophthalmologist tested, so it's safe even for those who wear contact lenses. Both mascaras lived up to their waterproof claims. No smudging or flaking, even after hours of wear. The only downside I noticed was that the Mega Volume Mascara was a bit harder to remove at the end of the day, but that's typical for most waterproof formulas. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are definitely the long-lasting wear and the volume and length these mascaras provide. They both stay put throughout the day, and the vitamin E infusion leaves my lashes feeling soft, not brittle. The Mega Length Mascara is great for anyone looking for a more defined, natural look, while the Mega Volume Mascara is perfect for those who want bold, thick lashes. As for the cons, the biggest one is the removal process. Because both mascaras are waterproof, they do require a little extra effort to remove, especially if you're not using a makeup remover designed for waterproof formulas. I would also say that the Mega Length formula could use a bit more volume, but that's more of a personal preference than an actual flaw. So what's the value for money here? For the price, I think these mascaras offer a lot of bang for your buck. They perform well, last throughout the day, and come with a few extra perks like the vitamin E for lash health. Plus, they're cruelty-free, gluten-free, and sulfate-free, which is always a bonus. In terms of comparisons, there are plenty of other waterproof mascaras on the market, but these two stand out for their performance at such an affordable price point. If you're looking for a high-end mascara with similar claims, you could try the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara, which has a similar volume-boosting effect, but at a higher price. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and easy to handle. The wands are easy to control, and the mascara tubes are lightweight, making them travel-friendly. I'm always on the go, so this was an important factor for me. In terms of longevity, I would say that these mascaras hold up quite well. The Mega Volume formula, in particular, really keeps my lashes thick and voluminous all day long, even in hot, humid conditions. The Mega Length Mascara does what it promises and holds up just as well. If you're someone who loves a good waterproof mascara but doesn't want to spend a fortune, I would definitely recommend giving these a try. If you're looking for alternatives, a more affordable option would be the Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara, which offers a similar lengthening effect at a comparable price. To wrap things up, these mascaras definitely deliver on their promises: long-lasting, waterproof, and great at adding both volume and length to your lashes. If you're on the hunt for a reliable and affordable mascara that won't budge, Wet n Wild's Mega Volume and Mega Length mascaras are definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get them, the link is in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you've tried these mascaras, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.